Hi guys, we're back. We're gonna be talking about commenting in HTML. So basically, comments, you wanna sometimes have comments to explain your code. It doesn't affect your code in any way, but sometimes maybe you've forgotten why you did something. You want to put them in the comments, or you have other people working on your document. So it's not just you working on the website. Comments allow people to find meaning in what you're doing, right? With Visual Studio Code, you can just hit a command. That's if you're using a Mac. If you're using a Windows, I think it's Control, and then the / key. In my keyboard is with the same key that has the question mark. So just find the / key. This is the / key. This one. That's what I mean. This one. All right. So just find where that key is, but then hit the command at the same time. But press it down. Don't take your hand off the command or Control key, and then press that key. Right, the / key. It would open up this comment. So this is the comment. So if you want to type it out yourself as well, you can do that. You can just type the, once you start typing, it'll start showing you, right? And you do this, and then this, it starts to show you. But if you want to just do it quickly, you can just use the command or Control and / all right. So now we can say we are about to work with lists. So whatever you write here will not show in the browser. About to work with lists. I'm sure by now you also saw that I cleaned up the whole thing so that it's not confusing, because they're about to work with lists. So this is how you comment. So this is a comment. This is a comment. So you see it's not showing. If you save, it wouldn't show because it's a comment. It's just for you to understand what's going on under the hood, right? Okay, so we're going to work with HTML lists, and that's why I did this, so you know what I'm talking about. HTML lists, right? So lists are very, very important because lists is how we group items together. So if you have items that you want to categorize into different places, you use lists to do that. So a common use case and where it is used the most is like menu or navigation in a website. So a website navigation, let's see, show you something. Yeah, website is still, we've not worked on all parts of this website for now, but still want to show you what that is. All right. So let's open it up big. It says big. All right, so this is navigation. This is the menu. So basically this, first you need to write it into a list before you can style it with CSS and things like that, right? So basically that's one of the most important places where we use a list is in categorizing a menu. All right, well, there are three types of lists. There's the unordered list, there's the ordered list, and then there's this description list. All right, I don't want to bore you with too much details. We would work with the ordered and unordered list shortly. So how do we do that, right? So the first one is the unordered list. Actually, let me make this bigger so you can see. I don't know. Let's affect this. So unordered. Actually, let's work with ordered lists. Ordered list is when things are itemized in an order. Is ordered list basically what it means. Guess the tag for that. P is paragraph, H is a heading. Guess the tag for that. Yes, your guess is probably right. You start with OL. That's the ordered list, right? So OL is the ordered list. Now, what do we want to list? We want to list grouped items of food. Yeah, I'm hungry. I don't know about you. Have you eaten this morning? So if you've not eaten, this might probably tempt you to want to eat. So OL is ordered list. But then to start to list the items, we need to tell the computer that we're listing the items. And so we need to use li for the first list, right? So li would be the first list. Does that make sense? Let's do that again. So OL is for telling the computer that this is a list of items that are intentionally ordered according to MDN as well. And changing the order will change the meaning of the document. I love MDN reference, right? But then li means that, okay, now we're listing the item that will sit inside the ordered or unordered list, right? So let's say this is yam. Okay, if I mention your favorite food, let me know. This is plantain. That's my favorite. You can make plantain into anything and I'll eat it. Yeah, I love plantain. And rice, I mean, I don't like rice because it's too much rice. I mean, I eat rice almost every day. And then there's burgers. Oh my god. And there's what food do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Chips. All right. So this is doing it in an order of how you like the food. Okay, so then plantain should be up here. Sorry for my, yeah, I don't want it to be down there because it's number one for me. So yeah, plantain. What's going on? Yep. So it can be together, and then this will be yam. Well, yam is not my second favorite. It's actually probably the last, but let's leave it at that. And then save. You can see what happens. So this is the ordered list. So it's in terms of order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he's numbering them. That's why it's an ordered list. If we want to do an unordered list, let's do that. So what I mean is unordered. So it's not based on order of importance. Unordered list. We do that using, guess as good as my UL. And then now we can list the items. What do you want to list? Let's say it's a website page. We will start with li and say home. Yeah, we would say about, and we will say services. Yeah, what else? Gallery. I mean, lately we don't use gallery for a website like that because it's a photography website. Maybe portfolio, and then contacts. Yeah, and then save it. You can see this is an unordered list because it has actually this title. Let's give this a heading h2 and say this is ordered list, and then let's give the other one a title and say this is unordered lists. Okay, suppose L. Alright, and save it. Yes, so we can see that this is ordered list and this is an unordered list basically. Alright guys, so basically this is, forgive the dog barking in the background. So this is ordered list and then this is unordered list. I hope that was clear. We can use CSS to do a lot of magic with this, but in the next video we're going to just do a little bit of a deep dive into CSS, just very basic CSS, just to kind of spice things up a bit. And I will see you in the next video.